Okay, I want to show you how to get these stored shared conversations into your prompt box. So this is my prompt box. I've got the professional account so I can share a prompt with you. So let's look at create a 20 item listicle for a dog agility course. Now I'm going to go into my details. This is how you share, get the link. I'm just going to copy it, click cancel. And if you'll see in here, I've got 8 prompts. I've got to create items for a listicle, redo the article, but use all 8 of these prompts in the sequence that we give them. Okay, so I've got the link in here. So what you would do is come over, I'll just do incognito and paste it in. Then it's going to ask for your login information. And I'll just do it right here, make it easy. Since I'm already logged in. If you're already logged in, this is what you're going to see. Okay, so it says shared copy. So you know it is a shared copy, okay? It is editable, and you can share it as well, okay? And if you come back over here to dashboard, you'll see it in here as shared. If you go into your details, you can copy this link, and you can copy this link and go one link at a time, or one prompt at a time into your ChatGPT. Okay, I'm going to go into details. I'm going to copy the prompt, and we'll just go into chat, and I'll start a new one. And make sure you're signed in if you want to save it again or any changes. There we go. Just hit refresh. You're ready to go. And copy 20 items of the listicle for, I'm going to do bushcraft. They use the term gear. I'm just going to take out equipment, and I'm ready to go. And as that's working, I'm going to come over here and grab my next prompt. So I come down here and redo the listicle. That's a good one. Back into chat. Okay, if you'll notice, it gave me an item and then kind of gave me a tip about it. So we may not need this one because we already have a short description for each item. But let's try it anyway. Okay, it looks like it's giving me a little bit better. Okay. Now, what I would do, since I'm not getting links, I'm going to put a new prompt in there that says add an Amazon. Now, you want to check your links here, make sure they work, because this ChatGPT is only good up through 2021. So some of these links may not be effective anymore, but that's okay because you're going to need to go into the links anyway to get your affiliate code. And if it's not there, then you can find something very similar to it. Okay. Can continue. Okay. That looks pretty good. Then I would just come back over here to the dashboard. We've got 20 items. And let's see what the next prompt is. Okay, so this did pretty good. We got 20 listicle items in there that we can work with. And I'll give you one freebie on this one is I'm going to put in here, revise each description in the voice of Bear Gillis. This sounds a lot better. Now, you could take this list exactly and make a listicle in any WordPress site or any RSS master feed that you want to do. And I would just keep on hitting continue to get your full 20. Hey, this looks great. Now, here's the beauty about this right here, this PromptStrongBox. I can store that entire conversation, and then I'm done. Well, I'm done with ChatGPT. But I have a really nice listicle ready to go. If I come back over here to my dashboard, you can see this brand new listicle that I've made from a shared link. And it has all the new updates with it. So let's just take a look at it in presentation mode. See how and it takes the numbering out, which I kind of like, a reliable and sturdy bushcraft for survivalists. Okay. Now, taking this one step further, and we're going to add the link to it. And then I come down here on the next command, revise each description in this list to have a short story comprised of the features of the Amazon link. Write in the short story in the voice of Bear Grylls. And I found that through just going to Google and say, give me the top TV personalities in survival skills. And Bear Grylls is usually number 1 or 2. Write in first person narrative, and that's what it did. And if you'll notice, it says it's not authorized to write content in the voice of a specific person or create narratives. However, it can write in a more engaging and informative style. So looks really nice. I think we got a really good copy right here, and I can make some very good content listicles with it.